In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage watchers in Jira. Keeping track of updates and changes in your Jira projects is crucial, and managing watchers is an efficient way to ensure the right people are notified about important issue updates. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to manage watchers effectively. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working with in Jira. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the top of the page and locate the All Work tab. Click on it, which will present you with a list of all work associated with that project. Here, choose the particular Jira issue where you'd like to manage watchers. Opening up the issue allows you to access all the details relevant for this task. Once you're viewing the details of the selected issue, look towards the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find an eye icon, also known as the Watcher icon. This icon is your gateway to managing who receives updates about this issue. Go ahead and click this eye icon. Following this action, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu showcases the current list of watchers, along with options to add new watchers or remove existing ones. Whether you're part of a large team or collaborating with a handful of colleagues, this functionality helps tailor notifications to the appropriate audience. If you want to add someone as a watcher, start by typing their name into the search box within the drop-down. As you type, Jira will present you with a list of names matching your input. From this list, select the name of the person you wish to add, and they'll automatically be added as a watcher. In a similar fashion, you can remove an existing watcher. Simply locate the person's name in the list of current watchers and click the X or remove icon adjacent to their name. This action will ensure they no longer receive notifications for changes or comments related to this issue. Additionally, if there comes a time when you wish to stop watching an issue yourself, Jira makes it easy. You can either click on the Stop Watching button provided in the drop-down, or use a quick shortcut by pressing the W key on your keyboard. This will remove you from the watchers list, ensuring you don't receive further notifications on that issue's updates. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain a streamlined communication flow, ensuring that the appropriate stakeholders are always informed while minimizing unnecessary notifications. Managing watchers effectively not only improves collaboration, but also enhances productivity by keeping everyone focused on what's most relevant to them within the project. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Jira projects more efficiently.